Welcome to Newport, Rhode Island.
I don't know about you, but I love these little discovery maps. They actually make it look kind of more interesting than it is. And fun, you know? Random people playing soccer, little birds flying around, kayakers, parasailers, bicyclists. Check it out. Anyway, I'm in Newport, Rhode Island for one night, and then I'm staying in Narragansett something. It's Airbnb I got. It's going to be my 2 days here in Rhode Island. From what I hear, this area has some pretty cool mansions, so we're going to try to visit one or two of them. I'm right on the harbor. Pretty expensive room here for what it is, but I'm going to go do some exploring. I'm staying at, Newport Port Hotel or something. We'll put the name right here. Anyway, this is my view from the room. Are you ready for this one? Are you ready? I don't know. It was raining on the way here. I think it has subsided, I hope. It's like a little old part of the town across the street. I think I'm going to go look at that. I got to put the parking thing in the car. Of course, they're charging you for parking here. This is going to probably be the most expensive state on this run here. I'm not sure why, but yeah. Rhode Island. I'm not sure what else to say. Welcome to Newport, Rhode Island, where opulence meets the ocean. Mike, really, first of all, you're too dark here. Let's work on this filter here. Second of all, that's not your voice. No, you're right, it's not. It's something I printed off of, I think I mentioned it before. I had ChatGPT helping me put together. Listen to this. Let's see how good this sounds. First of all, the opening intro was mine if I did it, if I chose to do it. So, Newport, Rhode Island, where opulence meets the ocean. This is the playground of the Gilded Age's elite, a town built on wealth and excess. Kind of is. But beyond the grandeur of the mansions lies something much deeper, a town shaped by the sea, where fishermen and sailors have built lives alongside the legacy of America's wealthiest families. I'm going to go get some dinner. Let's just be real here. It's raining. Or it's miserable out. It's cloudy. I recorded some of the sounds here. It's a little windy. I don't know how they came out. If they came out at all, here's a sample of that. And if they didn't, I'd just look kind of stupid right there. I did a lot of walking around here. I really, really dig the vibe here. There's a cobblestone street over there. See if I can let you know the name of that. Maybe I'll show you on the map. That's what I'll do. I really had high hopes for these vlogs, and we're kind of crashing and burning already. So yeah, I walked across the street somewhere here, and it's called Thames Street. And it really does feel like you're in Europe. It feels like you're wandering around the UK or, old London, so to speak. And, I didn't realize, look at all of the piers here. I've just been wandering in this area here. I got to go for a walk tomorrow. Maybe I'll do that tonight. It is raining, though, so I'm probably not going to be walking anywhere. I'm going to walk over here and grab a bite to eat. Moore's Landing, I think it was called. So here's a goal for tomorrow. Don't let that fake voiceover fool you. I kind of wanted to do a little voiceover and kind of set the mansion thing up. I'm going to go on a tour tomorrow. I'm going to go to the Breakers, and there's a couple of other ones that I'm going to hit. I'm going to try to get up early, go for a nice morning walk, show you some more of Newport here, grab a quick coffee or something. And I think tomorrow is going to be, certainly the morning's going to be spent exploring some of these mansions. Also, I want to see a little bit more of where I am, hopefully if the weather's nice, and then I eventually have to get to the other hotel I'm staying at. So there comes the AC noise. So I'm going to go get a bite to eat. I may film some more tonight, I'm not sure. If not, I'll see you in the morning. Like I said, welcome to Newport, Rhode Island, where opulence meets the ocean. Yeah, we're crashing and burning. I'll see you in the morning. Or later. Alright, so I lied. I'm still doing a little bit of video. I'm on my way to dinner. I don't know where I'm going. I kind of know where I'm going. But I wanted to take out this Osmo Action Cam 5. Really taking it out for the first time to test the new, what do they call it? It's a low light feature, but it's, I think they call it super, well, whatever they call it. I'll put a lower thirds on it. Just want to see how good it looks. We have the blue hour happening. Again, if I was vlogging, how does that look? Just basically lit with the street lights, the blue hour lighting. Anyway, I'm going to do a little walk down, it's called the Thames Street, or Thames Road, Thames Street here in Newport. And let's see how it looks. Always testing out new kit. Alright, so this is a test walking down the street. Got the, I don't know what color temperature those are, street lamps going on, very yellow. We have some incandescent flavored color temperature lights above me now. I think I have this set to auto white balance, so about to turn the corner to a cobblestone street called the Thames. Let's see what the lighting looks like down here. Oh, it's raining. All right, so it's quite a bit past the blue hour. Obviously, I'm a lover of light and reflection. If this looks good on larger on the screen, then I'm in heaven. I'm not sure how steady it is. I'm really not working hard to try to steady this. Again, I don't know how much of this is going to end up in the vlog. I'm just really doing a test here. Knowing me, it'll be in it. See a little bit of flare here. I'm not sure if that's I don't know what that is. I'm going to clean the lens off again. Put people in there eating dinner looking at me like, what is this clown doing? All right, we're going to go up by the pumpkins. I have to admit, if my trip to Newport has been nothing but testing out my Action 5 here, and it looks good, then it was worth the trip here. That sounds stupid, but just had a really good dinner, by the way. Guy recommended the tuna, rare, and man, it was good. It was covered in pepper, cracked pepper. Check out the size of this pumpkin, would you? Look at this thing.
one of the things, just gonna ramble a little bit because I want to see what this lighting looks like. It's really dark where I am. I'm under some trees. I'm kind of being lit by the street lights and the headlights of the cars coming by. One of the things when I started that last clip there, when the lighting was a little bit green, it reminded me of a green color when I went to Europe for the first time, Britain specifically, or London, and way back in obviously the film days, film cameras, I saw all these postcards. It's the first time I had ever seen green light. They had green lighting under the bridge going over to Big Ben. And I remember all these postcards of that. I tried to photograph it. I don't know if it really ever came out well. I didn't have a tripod with me, but every time I see that color at night, I'm reminded of that, you know? Anyway, so this is my light test for tonight. Almost back at the hotel. Also not sure how this is coming out with the microphone. It's breezy and windy, and I have the windscreen on. That's it. That's it for tonight's test. I'll see you in the morning. Thanks for joining me.